Happy Friday, Blue Spellers. So this week, your words, you're focusing on the R-controlled vowel sound, R. When you see an R following the vowel A, it controls the sound. So it doesn't make a long A vowel sound, or it doesn't make a short A vowel sound. Okay, it controls the sound to make a totally different sound. Okay, so this week you're organizing the words based on where you hear that R sound in the word. So let's start with the R sound in the middle of the word. I'm going to move this over here and move this over here. Okay, so the R sound in the middle of the word, I have one example, dark. When we go night fishing, it is in the dark. And when we go night fishing, you see at least one star. Okay, you hear that R sound in the middle of the word in dark, and you hear that R sound at the end of the word in star. Now remember, when an R follows the A vowel, it creates a totally different sound. It controls that A, and it makes a different sound. That's why it's called an R-controlled vowel sound. It makes an R. Okay. Let's look at park. How can you use park in a sentence? I'm going to let you think of that sentence and say it out loud to the camera. How can you use park in a sentence? Nice job. Okay. Let's look at, a party. A party. Maybe if you have a birthday party and you celebrate with a cake, or maybe you have a neighborhood party and you all get together, or roast some s'mores and have a campfire party. You hear it in the middle of the word. Hard. Ooh. Hard could be like, oh, this desk is really hard. Or hard could be, well, that math test was really hard this week. Okay, part. How can you use part in a word? So let's say that you get your car fixed, or let's say you need to fix your car. You might need a certain part in your car that's either missing or it's worn down. You could also use part as in, well, I part my hair right down the middle, or I part the pizza so that it's two equal sides. Part. Or that part of the math test was tricky. Part. Okay, yard. Yard. How can you use yard in a sentence? You hear that R sound in the middle of the word. You are starting to mow your yard again. Yard. Farm. Oh, I like this one. So Brock's family has a big family farm in Rugby, North Dakota. And they grow corn and soybeans and canola. Farm. Am I missing any? Start. It's important to get to start your homework right away so that you have free time at the end of the day. Start. Okay, let's talk about hearing the R sound at the end of the word. Car. You're getting your car fixed and you need a part. You need to fix a certain part in your car. Car. Let's look at, am I missing another one? Or is that it? Oh, that may be it. Okay. Oddball. What do you think the oddball word is? Arm. Why do you think arm would be the oddball word? Because you hear the R sound where? At the beginning. So that's the oddball word. You hear R in the beginning of the word. And usually the R sound is at the end or it's in the middle of the word. But for this word, it's at the beginning. So these are your words this week. Make sure you practice them in time for your spelling check-in next week. Have a wonderful week on Blue Spellers.